students, we will be learning about second and third equation of motion. This is velocity time graph. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. Suppose by looking at this graph, what you will be understanding? There was some initial velocity. That means the body was not in rest. It was having some velocity. Suppose the initial velocity was u and this is the final velocity. This is v. So in t time, the body has moved to v position. So what is the situation over here? This 0 to v. So this distance is what? V. What is this distance? This is u. U minus 0. This one is u. And what about this? This one is what? This total is v. This total is v. This one is u. As it is, this one is u. So this one will also be u because this is parallel to each other. So this one is u. So what this will be? From v, if you will be taking out u, then the remaining one is v minus u. The remaining one is v minus u. And what is the distance of this one? This is t. If this is t, this one will also be t. There are two ways to find out the area of this figure. There are two ways. This looks like a trapezium. This looks like a trapezium. I can find out in two ways the area of this trapezium. First method is, if I will be finding out the area of this triangle and this rectangle, then by adding both of them, I can find out the area of this trapezium. This is the first method. And what is the second method? Second method, if I will be finding out the area of trapezium directly, then I will be finding out the area of that one. So these are the two ways. So how I will be finding out area of trapezium? What is the name of this trapezium? This is made up of area of triangle plus area of rectangle. What is this area of trapezium? This is S. This is nothing but displacement. What is area of triangle? If you look at this, triangle, then what you will be finding out? Here it is making 90 degree. Here it is making 90 degree. So what is the basic formula of area of triangle? Half into perimeter of shape of base into perimeter of shape of height. What is shape of base? A line segment. Perimeter of line segment is line segment itself. What is the name of that line segment? V minus u. We have found out. So half into perimeter of shape of base, V minus u, into height. What is height? T. This is height. This is making 90 degree. Wherever 90 degree is made, there are two sides. If one of them is base, another one has to be perpendicular or height. So this is height. So in place of area of triangle, what I will be writing? Half into v minus u into t plus area of rectangle. What is area of rectangle? Area of rectangle is, this is rectangle, base into height, t into u. So what you can write? ut. In my previous video, you have been taught a is equal to v minus u by t, or you can say at is equal to v minus u. So in this place, what you can write? In place of v minus u, what you can write? At. In place of v minus u, you have written at. After that t, ut plus half at square. This is the second equation of motion. This is the second equation of motion. This I have found out by segregating this trapezium into triangle and rectangle. If I will not be segregating it, I am taking this trapezium as a whole. If I am finding out the area of the trapezium itself, then whatever we will be finding out, that I'll be getting the third equation of motion. So let's try that one also. This is the, you write it down, you pause the video and you write it down. The third, for finding out third equation of motion, what you need to do? You need to find out this area of trapezium itself. From this side, you look. What is the formula of area of trapezium? Half into height. From this side, if you will be looking at it, so this is what? This is height. I said this is 90 degree. So this is height. What is height? T. Half into T. Half into T. Height into sum of parallel side. What are parallel sides? This is one side and this is another side. What is the length of this one? The length of this one is U. And the length of this line is V. So sum of these two sides is what? U plus V. U plus V. Or you can write like this. U plus V by 2 into T. U plus V by 2 into T. What you have derived? You have derived a very new thing about this. This is nothing but average velocity into time. This is S. Area of trapezium is what? S. So S is equal to average velocity into time. This is another thing you have found out, but this is not third equation of motion. So U plus V. What is average velocity? U plus V. U plus V by 2. And what is T? From this, what you have found out? You can write from this, you can write T is equal to V minus U by A. You can write like this, V minus U by A. So in place of time, what you will be writing? V minus U by A. So S. After multiplying both of them, A plus B, A minus B. So what you will be getting? A square minus B square by 2A. Multiply both of them. 2AS is equal to V square minus U square. This is the third equation of motion. This third equation of motion will be required to find out kinetic energy. There are so many other applications of this one, but in next video when I'll be making you understand about kinetic energy, and this third equation will be applied over there. I hope you have understood the second and third equation of motion. Thank you.